Balik ta mga kapuso ning higayuna mas maila-ila nato talentadong batan-ong Sugbuanong singer ug songwriter kauban nato sa studio karon mga kapuso Keith Yuman. Maayong buntag Keith ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
May buntag Sir Nico.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Isgutan nato kining imong love for music. Kanus man ni nagsugod ug diin makanaliwat aning imong pagka musically inclined Keith.
Gasugod na dyan sa mga karaang tukar sa mga amahan. Then murag na-fall in love ko sa karaang mga kanta niyang patukaron. Mato at the age of 13, nakaton ko gitara through YouTube.
Alright.
Tapos mahal man ang magpa-guitar lesson. So moto siya. So we have to make use of what we can afford. Then YouTube may kuan. So moto naganahan sa ko. Then moto at 14 nagsugod tukar. Akong I remember the first gig I ever had was at the Outpost. Kanang na nag-iya si Efren Muanya ana.
Alright.
So katong ko. So I have all of my life to thank him for giving me that chance. So
Solo performer pa ato or na-create na ninyo inyong banda ato?
Solo na ko. Solo na ko ato.
Tsaka pagsugod ato. Alright. So ang dakong impluwensya nimo pamilya gyud imo father?
Kuan it's his taste in music jud.
Alright.
Na-fall in love jud ko with mo. It never stops after.
Gawa sa gitara multi-instrumentalist kuno ka Keith unsa may uban imong ginatukar nga mga instrumento?
With the band I play the bass, but I also play the harmonica while playing the bass. So and solo kay mag-guitar ko para para in case because the city is so full of vibrant guitar players bitaw. So why not ako na lang mag-bass ug mo kanta. So moto.
So nagkat-on ka guitar online lang yun? Like online on your own nga?
Online. Murag todo kulong isa kwarto para just to get that going.
Daghan-daghan ako ng mga kanta nga na-release na imong composition. Keith, can you tell us more about it?
Yeah, I recently released a career single called "Tatak is Waiting for You" from my debut album under Melt Records, Boringly Wild ang name sa debut album. And then I think before Tax is Waiting for You, there was Prom Night, and before that, there was Hail Aphrodite. I released 5 singles as of now for that album. Wow. Then, it's been a trip, Jud.
Unsa may kasagaran nga tema ni mo mga awit, Kit?
Usually nightlife man. It's sort of like musical man good for me, ang album. So, marang gasugod siya sa Tax is Waiting for You. It's a narrative about a young boy's journey to the night. Dayon before siya mo attend sa prom night niya.
So the taxi is waiting for him.
Mana siya.
Speaking of song Kit, doon ako kay bag-o nga composition sa karon panahon sa Pasko. Unsa man siya?
It's called A Christmas Comfort. Actually gisuwat ko ni cause tulo ka songs ang need ani na program then I was like, you know what? May pagmusuwat lang ko gain para comfortable sad ko sa akong kuan.
So of course, syempre di mawang kay gayon mga itagamay nga pasample ana imong composition Kit. Labi na nga nagkaduol na pilang adlaw ang panahon sa Pasko. Makapuso, take it away Keith.
Christmas is alright, can I spend it with you? Tides in the air, since Santa and his reindeer will silhouette over the moon.
Wow! Bukanta ko niya, quote niyo, unta ko Keith niya, wala ko'y talento, ana, sige na lang. So asa man mo, of course ikaw raman karono kay murag di ka lugar ang uban nga miyembro sa banda pero asa man mo usually makita doon na mo yung mga regular ba nga mga gigs Kit?
Usually invite only jud me.
Alright.
So kuan depende ra jud. We recently had a double album launch last December 9 sa Draft Punk. I was with my fellow ka-local scene na sad silang Francisco, Liana San Diego and ang Colora.
Totoo katangan ang mga kapuso ha. Keith Yuman nga band. Just to close this conversation, Keith, may message nimo gusto ipaambit sa atong mga kapuso nga nagtan-aw.
Last message yun ako is Last message is be inspired stay inspired, never kuan. So, never always gamble siguro. Always gamble for for the best. Then I swear like everything just makes its way jud. It's a domino effect ra jud tanan. Just take a gamble. It's all a leap of faith. Ano siya?
Stay inspired. Ganahan ko na. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Keith. Of course, mga kapuso, Keith Human, ito nakauban. Let's also support local talent. Mubalik pa mga kapuso ang GMA Regional TV Live.